Hello guys, in today's video we're looking at on how to solve this nice exponential equation, and we have to find the value of m. So I'm going to show you the easiest way of how you can find the value of m in this equation, which may look complicated. So we have this equation, which is 3 times open bracket 3 close bracket to the power 2m plus 11 open bracket 3 close bracket to the power m, which is equals to 4. So how do we find the value of m in this exponential equation? So for solution, so first of all we have to write this question, which is 3 open bracket 3 power 2m plus 11 open bracket and 3 power m equals to 4. So the easiest way of getting the value of m is by, let's say, this expression which is here is same as 3 open bracket 3 power m to the power 2, because when you multiply m times 2 we are going to have 2m. Okay, then plus 11 open bracket 3 power m, which should be equals to 4. Here you have these values, which is 3 power m and 3 power m. So we are going to say let 3 power m to be equals to x. So while it's 3 power m, we are going to substitute it with the x. So we're going to say 3 open bracket where is 3 power m, we are going to substitute with x, then power 2, then plus 11, where there's 3 power m, you're going to have x, which should be equals to 4. You expand out x power 2, it is 3 open bracket, x power 2, it is x power 2 here, then plus 11 times x, it is 11x, which is equals to 4. Then 3 times x squared, we are going to have 3x squared, then plus 11x, which should be equals to 4. Then now you take the equation into standard form, in which it will be 3x squared plus 11x minus 4, which should be equals to 0. Okay, so if you reach here, this is where an interesting thing is. Okay, so if you can see here, for us to find the value of x, we must use what you call factorization. So let me just make a space here. By using factorization method, we're going to say 3x power 2, then we are going to look for product and sum here. Product, it is 3 times 4, which is a times c. So product, it is a times c, which should be equals to 3 times negative 4, which is minus 12, and sum, it is 11. So we are going to look for two numbers in which when you multiply it will give us negative 12, and when you add or subtract you are going to have 11. And those numbers are, remember, those numbers, it will be 12 and minus 1, because when you multiply 12 times negative 1, you're going to have minus 12. Then when you subtract 12 minus 1, you're going to have 11. So in which you're going to have the minus x, then plus 4, which should be equals to 0. Okay, so if you reach here now, because negative x plus 12x, you are going to have 11x. So here let's factor out. So we have what is common here. You group out this one here and this one here. Okay, in which here when you factorize, you're going to have what is common here, it is x. So x into 3x squared, you're going to have 3x minus x into x, which is 1, then here what is common, it is a plus 4. Then 4 into 12x, you are going to have 3x. And 4 into 4 minus 4, 4 into minus 4, it is a minus 1. So these terms are equal, so we only correct one term here, which is x plus this 4 here, then 3x minus 1, which should be equals to 0. So other x it will be equals to minus 4, or 3x minus 1, it is equals to 0, in which 3x minus 1 equals to 0, it will be 3x equals to 1. When 1 across the equal sign, then you divide throughout the 3 by 3, then the answer it will be 1 over 3. So if you can see, the value should be in positive form. So instead of choosing this answer here, we are going to get this value here, which we have, which is 1 over 3. 1 over 3, not a negative number, okay? In which, remember, the earlier one we say that let 3 power m equals to x. So and remember here we have x equals to 1 over 3. So where is x, substitute with 3m. So in which we're going to have 3 power m equals to 1 over 3. Okay, this is simple and straightforward here. Remember that in indices, whenever you have 1 over a, when you take it into negative, it will be a power minus 1. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing here, in which it will be 3 power m equals to 3 power minus 1, in which these bases are same, in which we're going to say m equals to minus 1. So this is the value of m. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you see you next time. Bye bye.